Hello to the viewers. This is the great Chief Nachina, the spiritual man. This is the best spiritual man in the world. I'm coming here live to tell you whom I am. You have been seeing me already, and I come back to introduce myself for people to know what I'm doing, for people to know the kind of help that I can do for people, because I have a lot of complaints. Always they give me complaints about this work, and this work is our four grandfathers' work, and some people come to spoil it. That's why I come out to show myself for people, those people who don't know me, to know who is the real Chief Nachina. Maybe you are just hearing my name, Chief Nachina, Chief Nachina, the best spiritual man in the world. You don't know who is Chief Nachina. And I'm coming live today to describe myself, to show myself, to show my powers, for people to know what kind of work that I did. And I do a lot of things for people in spiritual way. First, if you need instant money, I can do it for you. If you need lotto number, I can do it for you. If you need bet way, you have been betting and you are not winning, contact Chief Nachina. Chief Nachina is going to let you win the bet. And you have been following for a woman or a man for years to marry you. He don't want to marry you. My brother and my sister, don't waste your time. Your helper is here. The great Chief Nachina, number one. Without me, no else. So my sisters and my brothers, you are highly welcome. The door is open for everybody. It doesn't matter I'm in Ghana. It doesn't matter you are outside Ghana. Whether you are in Nigeria, Cameroon, Gambia, USA, wherever you are, you can there and join the group. Even when you are in USA or Dubai, you can there, you will be there and I will join you. And you'll get plenty money. Enjoy your life. Buy big house. Buy big cars. So my brothers and sisters, I'm welcoming everybody to come and join the Chief Nachina Spiritual Herbal. And you will never regret of coming to Chief Nachina group. When you come to my group, there is no any human blood. And there are no side effects. When you come, we are using animals to sacrifice. So when you come, this is the animals that you will find, like something like vulture, to do sacrifice, and anything you want, you can get it. So it doesn't matter you are outside or you are not in Ghana. If you are in Ghana or outside Ghana, you can be there and join the group, and all your problem is going to be solved. Whether you need money, you want famous, everybody to know you, or you want a football spirit, you can come for me to help you to get what you want. Like I told you, I know it's not that I just take myself to come for people to show me on TV station. I have a lot of complaint that people are now out to spoil our work. And this work is our culture. It's our culture. And I will not allow any stupidity or the person who don't know the work, whether left and right, the person don't know it, come online to spoil our work. I'm not ready to tolerate that kind of uncouth character. I'm not ready to tolerate it. And I'm ready to arrest anyone who is fraud. Because I have a lot of complaints. Complaint is too much. A lot of complaints. They are giving me complaint. Chief Nachina, where are you? People are killing us. They are frauding us. They are taking our money away. How, my brother? Why? He don't have anything. He come for you to help you. You are rather putting him on debt. Why are you so wicked like that? Why? So my brothers and sisters from outside Ghana and inside Ghana, whenever you are and you are listening to this, my spiritualist, make sure you take my number and you will never regret. And don't say people have been taking your money, you won't do the work again. Never, don't say that. When you say that, you will lose. And there is a saying that you don't need to lose hope. When you suffer today, it will be history for you tomorrow. And know that whenever you are meeting around people, definitely you are going to meet the right one. And the right one is here. To show myself, to introduce myself, to describe myself, to accumulate myself, for people to know who is the Chief Nachina. I'm here. If you don't know who is Chief Nachina, the great one, number one, the whole spiritual man, no size. I'm coming to show myself for people to know, oh, this Chief Nachina can do anything you want. So if you ever frauded or you ever take money by someone, my brother, don't lose hope. When you are going to a journey and you didn't reach there yet and you say you are tired and sit there, you will remain there. And there's no way that you get to where you are going. And when you are going to Kumasi, you need to ask Kumasi car. If you are going to Kumasi and you don't ask Kumasi car and you are asking Togo car, you go wrong way. That means that never take someone money. Some people are coming here to destroy people's life. Because, let's say yesterday, someone just called me, the person is from Nigeria. He's a politician. Someone lied to him that he will help him. Finally, the person didn't help him. He collapsed his money. He was a politician. He told me, I told him, don't worry. As you are meeting wrong people, know that definitely the right one is here. And you are meeting the right one. All your suffering is going to go away. When you are suffering, let me tell you something. God did not create anyone to be suffering. God did not create anyone to be suffering. We, the human beings, we are rather making people to be suffering. So, my brother and sisters, I'm here. Wherever you are, your great spiritual man is here to help or any kind of spiritual problem that you have. Like I mentioned already. If you want instant money, lotto number, birth weight, marriage problem, if you don't give birth, contact me. When you are outside, like you are in Nigeria and go to Dubai and go to USA, you don't have papers, come, I'll give you papers. I'll use the spirit to give you papers. And spirit, it doesn't matter wherever you are. Even if you are underground, spirit can come to you spirit can view and come to you. So don't worry whether you are in Ghana. If you are not in Ghana, I can be here. Command the money. I can let money appear inside your room. I can let money appear inside your room or inside your work. And if you have been working and you want a post they are not giving you, try to contact the Great Chief Najina. They will give you a rank. They will give you the position and double your month pay. You enjoy your life. If not Chief Najina, who? Without Chief Najina, no one. Number one. So, my brothers and sisters, I'm here to welcome everybody. Whether you are a man, you are a woman, you are a worker, you are not working. Even if you are working, they sack you from your work. Contact me. I'm gonna do everything for you. You go back to your work. If you want to work with someone like white men, like even if you are in Nigeria and you want to work with Dangote and you don't have chance, come contact me. I will give you that chance. Dangote will look for you, apply you to the work, pay you big money. You enjoy your life. That's why I come here to show myself, for people to know the great spiritual man, the person who can use only one day to make you rich, the person who can use one day to change your life, the person who can use one day to make your dream come true, the person who can use one day to change your destiny. So never lose hope. Never lose hope. That's why I said I'm coming out to stop that foolish people. That people online, Facebook, YouTube, whatever, to take people money. I'm not ready to tolerate that kind of good character. They are spoiling our work. And this one is our grandfather's work. They were not doing it because of money. Me like this, if you contact him, I don't need anything from you. I myself, I have my money plenty, so ciao. I don't need anything from you. So when you contact me, only the rules and regulations that you will follow, and I will help you to get what you want, whether instant money, or physical money, or pocket not dry, or wallet money, or pot money, and I will do it for you. And the items, I don't use human blood. We are using animals. That's why we are buying sheep, vulture, and instant money spray, and I'll use it and charm the money for you free. Not even $1 or $1 naira that I will collect. I don't collect. But make sure when you contact me, it's only the necessary things that you are going to provide, and I will charm the money for you. And the necessary thing is the items. You know the girls, they don't need money, and they don't need food. They are short devils. They need perfumes and their blood. So whenever you contact me, for me to solve your problem, the girls, they don't eat that, will give them food to eat, and they're satisfied. It's only blood that we are going to give for them, and the blood is going to be sheep, vulture, and the spray that will charm the money. The animals will be the sacrifice, and the spray will stand for the charming of the money. And your life will never be the same. Like I said, let me introduce Pocket Not Dry in show action for people to know what is Pocket Not Dry. It's good to have Pocket Not Dry if you are a man and you have a wife and you are suffering, you are lack of financial problem, and you contact me and make Pocket Not Dry. I will let you buy wallet like this one. You buy wallet like this one and send me money to buy spray and use it to let the money come inside the wallet, to command it, like this one. You see it? There is nothing inside. There is nothing. Show it for people to know. Whenever you need pocket not dry, contact the great Chief Nachina, who can do that for you. Like this. Now, let's see the action. Hey, kindabor. Makukubia kwa kusurana mando Jacob. Alizam piale. Liabgale kuma chomino pa. Abia won po be won le nyu som na tijege abi kombon. Zonwa dapsimo. Liabgale. I need money here. I want mommy water to bring me money here. See it. Nothing inside. There is nothing. Hey, kindabor. Makukubia kwa kusorana mando ja kukusorane guma chumiro pa liabgale. Sanonda. You see, when we talk about spirit is there. This is euro. This is euro. When you need pocket not dry, my brother and sisters, when you need pocket not dry, contact Chief Nachina. You can never regret. When you see this one, there is nothing like this, and I charm it. This is the money, euro and dollars. There's no any spiritual man who can do this. Only Chief Nachina, the #1 spiritual man in the whole world, not in Ghana. This is dollars. When you need it, pocket not dry, contact me. The whole world, no sight, is only Chief Nachina who can give you pocket not dry. And your life will never be the same. So my brothers and sisters, you see, this is the pocket not dry that I just demonstrate for people to know. Now, let's go about something that they call back money. And that one goes about those people who buy things, the trade people. I mean the trade. Those people who go to different cities, different countries, buy items, buy books, buy cars. I mean those businessmen. This is the one. If you are a businessman and you want wallet money, this is one that I'll give it to you. If you are a businessman and you want wallet money, I will give you this one. Wherever you are going, and any amount that you want, you can mention and the money will appear. And it doesn't matter your counter money. Any currency, if you want dollars, naira, sefa, Ghana cedis, this one can bring it for you. It can vomit the money. It's only black magic. It be magic, no be math. The magic is there. The reality is there. When we talk about the spirit, my brother, forget. If you believe your spirit, we can challenge. You come and let's challenge. I will show you how powerful it is. And I will show you how spirit is working. So, my brother, let's see another action here. When we talk about actions or spirit, no be math matter. No be math. Cameraman, let them see you well. No be math. We don't edit. We do real things. Nothing. I mean the business people. This one that I'll do for you. If you contact me and you are a businessman, this one I'll do for you. Nothing. Let's see. This one, it no be math. It be reality. When we talk about spirit, forget. So don't worry yourself. As soon as that you catch me, you got me, your life is going to be changed. You will never regret of meeting me in your life. Anything you want, I can do it for you. Even if a witchcraft is deceiving you from your house, contact me. I can do it for you. Any protection that you want, I can do it for you. Or a magic ring, like the pastors. If you want a magic wallet, you can use this one to put on your spirit. Whether you can put magic money or ring or gun protection to do it. Let's see the action. Cameraman, let them look it inside again. Nothing inside on it. Nothing inside on it. Let's see the action. You see? This one that I'll use, that like I said, magic ring. This one that I'll use to champ money inside the bag. When everything comes, everybody will see. This one is a black magic. No be fake matter. Let's see. Let's see the action for now. Whatever you are, I command you to come here. Whether you are in USA, you are in Dubai, you are whatever, I want you to go to GM Bank, GBC Bank, First Bank, Zenith Bank, to champ money for me, to do money for me. Whenever you are, I command you to come. Make kiss and be pamper as a period pataya. Levelly, kai, and some pele, Omiro pataya. Kai, levelly, put it. I want you to put the money inside on it. This one no be math matter. It be reality that I'm talking about. Put the money inside on it. Let's see the action. When we talk about reality, my brother, why? When we talk about the reality, it's here. What do you see here? This is euro. This is euro. This is euro. This is euro. Euro. So whenever you are inside Ghana, you are outside Ghana, you can call me for pocket not dry. You can call me for instant money. You can call me for any type of money that you want. You can call me. See it. This one, it no be math matter. It be really magic. The magic. This one, it be black magic. No be math, and it's no be fake. We don't push. It be real. So when we talk about reality, forget. Contact Chief Nachina. You will never regret of meeting me in your lifetime. See this money that I did. The wallet is empty box. It's empty wallet. I command the money. This one is a magic matter. It no be math. It be reality. This is Naira. I mean the Nigerian people. Fresh. 100 Naira. You see it? I charm it. So whenever you are and you need Naira, contact me. I mean my Nigerian people. For people to know what I'm doing. You understand that? Let's see what we call instant money. I'm going to explain what they call instant money for people to know what is instant money. Because people don't know what is instant money. Instant money means when something happens within 1 hour. It's an instant. When you contact me and you need instant money, within 1 hour that I'll use, and the money will appear inside your room. If you want me to send the money through your bank, I can send it for you. If you want me to let the money appear inside your room, it can appear for you. You understand that? So now I'm going to do what they call instant money for people to know what they call instant money. Cameraman, there is nothing inside the box. This is empty box. This is empty box. People should watch it. This one, it no be postposed matter. It be reality. The power is there. I inherit it. I don't go and look for it. They look for me. It's an empty box. Now, when the money come, everybody will see it. This one is a black magic. It no be math matter, and it no be fake. I'm not here to be fake. I'm here to do original. I'm original. Anything you need, you can contact Chief Nachina. The great one, no side. Without me, no one can help you. Let's see the action. Let's see the box again. Nothing inside the box. There is nothing inside the box. Let's see the action. Hey, kindabor. Makukubia kwa kusora na mandoja. Gando, sonon gando, pakura gando, alezenan gando. Puena, zondukanya nganga, bonokale, sule. I want money here. I want dollars, euro, Ghana cedis to appear here. I don't want fake. I want original. Bring me money here. I want dollars. I want naira. I want euro, Ghana cedis. Hey, kindabor. Hey, makukubia kwa kusona. Namandoja pop. Hey. Bring the money here. I want money. Bring the money. I need money. I need dollars. I need euro. Bring it fast. I want it fast. I'm not here to fix. I'm here to help people. I'm not here to fix. I'm here to help people. Cameraman, what do you see here? This is euro. Bundles. Ghana cedis. Hey! I want dollars and euro to appear here. Dollars and euro. Whenever you are, contact Chief Nachina, the great one, no size. When we talk about the spirit, if you don't contact me and call someone, the person will fraud you. Without Chief Nachina, no one can help you. This is the reality. When we talk about the spirit, forget. If you didn't contact Chief Nachina, you regret later. The best spiritual man in the world. No size. See it. This is dollars. It's going to be fake matter. Hey, kindabor. Bring me money. Hey, kindabor. Hey, let's see. This is dollars. This is another dollars. This is another dollars. This is another dollars. This is dollar. Euro. In Nigeria people, this is naira. 10,000 naira. This is 100 naira. When you need naira, contact me. I can do anything you want for you. Hey, kindabor. Bring me money. I need money fast. Bring it. I need it. Kindabor. Whatever you are in Nigeria, Cameroon, Benin, whatever you are, Gambia, contact me and get what you want. And it's only Chief Nachina who can do this for you. I need money. Bring me the money fast. I need the money. I need dollars, euro. This is dollars. When we talk about reality, my brother, forget. This is the money. So why are you waiting for someone to fraud you, to take your money? Contact the great Chief Nachina to help you to get what you want. I mean, Nigeria people, this is your naira. This is naira. You see it? This is naira, pure one. I don't do fake things, I do real things. If you don't contact me, you'll regret later. Hey, I want money, dollars, Ghana cedis. I want money, Ghana cedis. Bring it. What is this? Cameraman, if you didn't stop me, I will champ money until the day break. See, this is Ghana cedis note. Bundles, it's bundles. 2 million. I don't fake, it be original. Hey! Kindabor. Kai! I some jelly. Go to me for a level. Come bring the money here. Bring the dollars. Bring the euro. Hey! You see? What we call instant money. Anything you need, contact me. I can do it for you. I can jam money for you. Any help that you want. If you are a politician and you don't have money to do your politics, contact me. I can give you billions to go and do your politics. Millions to do your politics. Hey, kindabor. Alisum pialamino pataya alevre kumacho. Yakabdane karasu. Bring the money here. talking about? So my brother, if you didn't take my number and take someone's number, and you want the person to fraud you, never do that. If you didn't take my number, you will regret. This is money. This is the money. This is the money. So why are you waiting? Bring the money. Hey, Sambo, bring the money. I need the money here, fast. Hey, Sambo, this one be black magic. Hey, Kindabor. Yabble, Alison Piel. Bring the money here. I don't want fake matter. You know me. Take the camera for them to see the money. See the money. So what are you talking about? When we talk about the spirit, who is the spirit? The great man is here. The only spiritual man who can use only one day to change your life, to make your dream come true, to make you buy mansions. Without me, no one can help you to get this. See the money. Even this one, when you even come and take it, it will change your life. I don't need anything from it. Hey, Kindabor. I want more. Add me more. I want more. Bring the money. I need that. Bring it. Hey, bring it. See the money. So what are you talking about? The time is not even enough. I will attempt money, and this hole will full of money. When we talk about the spirit, without me, you won't get spirit. The spirit is there. I have the spirit. You know, the fake matter that I do. So my brother from outside Ghana or inside Ghana, take my number, and I will help you to get what you want, to change your life, to make your dream come true. If you didn't take my number, you will regret later. Now the time is not enough, and the time is not our size. Even as I'm here, people are calling me, and people are outside. Some people, even this evening, I received 7 people from Nigeria. Strangers, they come for help. 5 people from Gambia. 10 people from Cameroon. They are online for me to help them. So the time is not enough for me. So I'm just here to say bye-bye to those people who are watching me. But make sure you take my number. You will never regret. You will get what you want. You enjoy your life. I'm going to say bye-bye to the viewers for people to know who is the great Chief National. Is saying bye-bye to the viewers. Saying bye.